Welcome to Nabeel Math Academy. This is Dr. Mohammed Nabeel. Today in this video we are going to see the absolute value equation. So the absolute value equation is given by absolute x equal k if and only if and only if it will take the two values. Whenever you have absolute value, you will get two solutions. One x equal to k or x equal minus k. This is the two solutions you will find for the absolute. Whereas in the number, we will have a different case. So if you have a minus 5 absolute, it becomes plus 5. So here you will have only number. But here in this case, we will have a variable, right? So whenever we have a variable, we will have 1 plus x and 1 plus k and minus k. So let us solve the problem here. So here, if you want to remove the absolute, so just write it 2x minus 1 is equal plus or minus 3. So we will have a plus and minus 3. Now simplify this one. X is equal, move one that side, it become 1 plus or minus 3. So you will have a two solution. What are they? So you will have two solutions. So one solution is 2x is equal plus 4 and another one 2x equal minus 2. So x is equals 2 and x is equal minus 1. So therefore the solution is minus 1 comma 2. So you will get two solution always for the absolute value equation. Now similarly, we will solve the second one. This is x plus 1 equal minus 2. So the absolute value is not equal negative. So therefore, there is no solution because the absolute value is always positive solution. Therefore, in such cases, there will be a no solution. Why? It is not possible to get the absolute value is equal negative. So therefore, I will say here this is a empty set. Null set is a solution, no solution. Now the next question, we have a absolute x, 3x plus 1 minus 1 equal 5. I will simplify this one out. So you have 3x plus 1 is equal 6. Then we will have an absolute value 3x plus 1 is equal plus or minus 6. 3x is equal minus 1 plus or minus 6. 3x is equal plus minus 7. 3x is equal plus 5. So if you add and subtract, you will get two solutions. Therefore, you have one for the plus, one for the minus you will have here. So similarly, simplify this part, you will get x is equal minus 7 over 3 and x is equal 5 over 3. So therefore, the solution set is minus 7 over 3, comma 5 over 3. That's it. Now the next question here, if you simplify, what happened? First, I will simplify this part. You will get 2 times of 6x plus 1 is equal 6. So 7 minus 1, which is 6. So I want to divide this part. So if I divide it, so you will get the simplified form as absolute 6x plus 1 is equal 3. Now it is a regular way. I have to remove the absolute. You will get a plus or minus. You will get plus or minus 3. Therefore, move one that side. X is equal minus 1 plus or minus 3. So you will get the two solution. What are they? 6x is equal minus 1 minus 3, which is minus 4, and 6x is equal minus 1 plus 3, which is equals plus 2. Now x value is equal minus 4 over 6, x value is equal 2 over 6. Upon simplification, if you simplify this part, you will get 2 over 3 and this is 1 over 3. And the solution is given by, the solution is minus 2 over 3, comma 1 over 3. That's it. Now the next question we have the absolute value 3x. The same simplification we will do it here. So first I have to move the 10 that side. It becomes what? 3 times of 4x plus 1 is equal 1 minus 8. So you will get 4x plus 1 is equal minus 9. If I divide by 3, you will get divided by 3, divided by 3, it get cancelled. So here 3 will get cancelled. The remaining part you will have 4x plus 1 is equal minus 3. So at this step, our conclusion is since the absolute value is not negative, therefore it has no solution. So you should not decide at the first place according to this part. After simplification, you have to check whether if it is negative, there is no solution. If it is positive, just expand the part. Now the last one here, you will have a absolute, the rational expression inside the absolute. How will you simplify? It's the same thing we will do it. 3x plus 1 over 5 is equal 1. So if I remove the absolute, it should be what? Plus or minus 1. After that, just cross multiply. After that, just cross multiply. This is over 1 is there here. Just I cross multiply. What happened? So therefore, the value will be 3x plus 1 is equal plus or minus 5. So plus or minus 5. Now 3x is equal plus or minus, that is minus 1 plus or minus 5. So you will have a two solution. What are they? So it is 3x is equal minus 6, 3x is equal plus 4. So if you simplify, x is equal minus 2 and here x is equal plus 4 over 3. Therefore, the solution is minus 2 comma 4 over 3. Thank you.